Hi guys, welcome back to Blue Whale Crypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin. As usual, we will talk about some of the altcoins, meme coins for the first time on this channel because I usually don't promote them, but we will talk about it because the market demand is more about that part. So let's get into it. Let's try to understand how the market has reacted and what are the things that we need to make sure in order to stay profitable, guys. All right. So first thing we will talk about today is gonna be Floki. Why Floki? What is the reason behind it? I believe most of you already know about it. Yesterday, Elon Musk tweeted about the new CEO of Twitter. That is a dog sitting on a chair with the CEO t-shirt. But if you look closely here, it seems like the name of the person is Floki. So that's the reason yesterday we have seen a tremendous amount of growth inside the price of Floki, that is more than 100%. Okay, and yes, I also try to grab some opportunity. I usually don't provide such information to anyone because taking such things would be very riskier for you guys. And if you want, I'll surely gonna be sharing it with you guys from the upcoming updates. But whenever you see a tweet from Elon Musk, what you are supposed to do is you are simply supposed to take a small time scalp opportunity inside that particular coin, like a Doge, like Floki, or like Shiba Inu. Okay, so this is the range which I took, was exactly nearly around 0.3309 30973. So this was, I was not able to grab much. I grabbed it here. I booked my profits right here. I didn't hold it for a very long time. I also going to show you in the 1 hourly time frame where I was able to, because after the tweet, right after the tweet, we saw this green candle, and when it was coming down from the consolidation, and again it went up. This risky candle, I took my long up. I buy it actually, and then I booked my profits right here. So in this range, when I get a rejection, I try to book my profits right here. Look guys, this is a very risky setup, and I would not gonna recommend any of you to get into any meme coins, because why is that? I'll also gonna make you understand about it. These all investors try to grab all of their holdings right in this range before even it got pumping. So when they are trying to put it up, you can see they are already up by 280%. So the investors, they will try to sell it off. It was just that the yesterday the market was pretty good. That's the reason we didn't see a good fall inside the price of Floki. Anyway, whoever was trying to buy in this zone, the smart money was selling off their bags right away in this zone. Okay, same was with the Dogecoin. We shorted it right here, and we generated a good 13% move inside the Doge. While when yesterday Elon made it a tweet, it just gave us a 9% upside move. More than that, we generated by shorting it. So this was all about it. The one thing that I'm interested in is sheep coin, which seems to be pretty good and is trying to break out from the uptrend channel as well, and from this trend line. So which is very looks more promising than the rest of the meme coins. Why the sheep is more better than the other meme coins? Because the sheep team is working on a stable coin. They are back, they're working on their back end. They're developing some things up, and in few days their updates will be out. So I'll be providing a detailed information video on the sheep coin. And if you're trying to build a position inside the sheep, you can grab some in this range. And moreover, when it, let me see it, yeah, so the sheep, it could give a daily breakout. Sheep could give a daily breakout right here, and if we get a daily breakout right here, in that case we can see a good upside move of 20, 30 to 50% upside move inside the price of sheep. For now, even if you're trying to grab the opportunity, you can grab the range of 14% inside the sheep if you are trying to build your position right now. Why is that? Why we can build the position? I have already informed you. There is a horizontal resistance, that is a breakout already done. There is a ascending channel that is also giving a breakout on daily basis. There is one more. So what you can do is you can try to scalp it off. If it goes down, the next entry that you can look for is in the range of 1194. The profit area is going to be 1500 or 1522. This is going to be the two range in which you can the first area of interest is going to be 1370, where you can build your position. Target is 1552 or 1520, and the stop loss or the averaging point is going to be 119060. Okay, so you can grab it, and if you are a risk taker, then you can do that. Coming up with the next that we will talk about, the most important thing is Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has went crazy. So yesterday, day before yesterday, we talked about if we lose this area, in that case there will be a worse scenario. But I also informed you the Bitcoin needs to hold this area. This area is also holding up pretty well even after the FUD. So this was a great support area. I also informed you in a higher time frame, and those who took the opportunity made a good sum of profit. Let me tell you what I did. I also was able to make the whole perfect entries or whole sum of profit out of Bitcoin, because I usually now sleep at nights, not like old times. I used to stay early, and now I'm married, so I need to sleep at nights. And in the night I see this huge move. When I wake up 5:30 in the morning, I saw this huge move inside the price of Bitcoin. But what I tried to grab is, let me inform you that as well. When the Bitcoin was able to cross above this local resistance, so what I did is when it came for a retest, I just I was long inside the price of Bitcoin, and I booked a move of 3.76%. That was pretty good for me. I booked it right here. Then it started getting some rejections, and so I booked my profit where I was able to see those rejections, because the RSI in this range was also booming. And when I see this red candle coming backwards from this resistance area, I try to book it right away, my profits. Okay, so I was not able to book this great move of 8%, I say, but I was able to book a profit for 3.5 to 4%, and that was good enough for me. Yes, it was a very good move inside the price of Bitcoin. And what we need is now, in order to get a continuous move inside the price of Bitcoin, we first need RSI to cool off a little bit. Then and only then we can see any further movement inside the price of Bitcoin. The other things that we will talk about is Bitcoin has now reached another resistance area that could actually break off. Okay, if we are able to break off this range, the last time that we could have taken a tremendously good entry inside the price of Bitcoin was this area that was nearly around $18,500. This was a very good area in the smaller time frame, like in the 1-day time frame as well, and in the 4-hourly time frame. This was a clear breaker point for the Bitcoin. And once we break it, those who took the entry, I just took this move, and then I booked it right here, which was very good. As my marriage was going on, I wasn't able to provide you complete updates. I also informed you about that, but nothing to worry about, guys. Market is changing their structure. It's getting into the uptrend, and so if the market is changing into the uptrend, we will surely gonna grab Bitcoin more if we are breaking above this range. And the max zone that I think for the Bitcoin can go is up to $30,000, where we will look for our one of the best and the finest short opportunity inside the Bitcoin. I'll explain you about it when we have the current scenarios matching with the candlestick pattern. Okay, so this was all about Bitcoin. If we get a clear breakout above the zone, then again we can look for another scalp opportunity inside the price of Bitcoin, which will take us a higher up to $26,000 to $28,000. This was all about Bitcoin. In a hourly basis, I don't suggest you to take any new entries as of now, because this is way too high to look for a new entry. Yes, if you are looking for a scalp short opportunity for 1 or 2%, you can do that until and unless Bitcoin is cooling off. Do make sure the market trend has changed to uptrend. So if we get a break below the zone and again a retest, and then if we get a huge momentum or sell off here, then in that case we will look for a higher quantity inside the short position. Right now, if you're looking for a short opportunity, yes, you can do that. It's a risky one, but you can do that. You can look for a little bit of short where you can get a consolidation right here, or you can get a consolidation right here. So if you are taking your shorts right here, or the shorts are up to here, where you're getting your average point up to $25,000. If there is an average entry for the Bitcoin, you can book your profits within a $24,500 to $24,000 range. This could be today's scalp opportunity inside the Bitcoin. I'll also gonna explain you in the coming videos, or I also should explain you right now, that in the coming days the Bitcoin will be more powerful than the rest of the altcoins, and the Bitcoin gonna fly off very easily, and the alts gonna be in the same stage. Why is that? I'll show you in the next video if you want why is that, and how we can make profit out of the alts by longing or shorting. Do make sure to comment it right now so that I can give you all the information in the next video. Also, I want you to put it down the name of the coin, the analysis that you want in the next video. I'll try to provide the video by today itself, or the first thing in the morning by tomorrow. Let's talk about the last thing, that is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is also at the breaker point. In the previous video, we talked about Ethereum was trying to break below the support, but actually what happened? The support never break down in the daily time frame, which is why we saw a good upside move inside the price of Ethereum. Now again, the Ethereum is right at the resistance. Same thing with the Bitcoin, same thing with the Ethereum, but this is a very crucial point for the Ethereum. You can see this all time Ethereum been holding in the bull run. Ethereum was holding this area, if you see. And once we get a rejection, we never was able to pass by this zone. Okay, so in order to get a confirmed bull market inside the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or rest of the altcoins, what we need is we need a clear breaker above the zone, again a retest, and then we will supposedly gonna fly in the upcoming days. Okay, we just need to, guys, be patient. We all know that the market has been booming up, but if you see, all the channels are quiet right at the moment. They're not able to understand what's going on inside the market. I'll explain you what exactly is going on inside the market, and why the Bitcoin has been booming up, why the alts hasn't been moving that speedily, because the Bitcoin had made a 10 to 15% move in one single day. Today, this morning, the Bitcoin has moved 5 to 6%, and yesterday it made a 10% move. So even though the Bitcoin is moving 15% and the alts are not even moving 20%, okay, usually the alt move twice the percentage of Bitcoin. So what is the reason behind it? How we can make profits out of it? If you're gonna make likes on this video and gonna give me comments on this video, surely I will give you detailed information about it in today itself, or the first thing in the morning. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.